Hello, I'm Preston McCauley and welcome to AI Quick. Today I'm going to be showing you some examples of how to use large language models in unique, fun, and exciting use cases. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Alright, well, we're going to take a look at something really interesting today. So I always like to share some unique use cases. I'm actually working on some AI systems and I wanted to actually apply AI to understanding how I could approach better cohesive writing. So a couple things I want to start off with doing is actually trying to build out a methodology to be able to better understand cohesive writing. Now, I built out this really quick, simple, easy idea that uses an Embedchain selection of applications, creates a vector database from the data that I'm looking at. And as you can see here, I'm looking at a websites on cohesion. Use them to talk directly to the websites and start to construct a learning plan around how to build better cohesive writing styles for myself. So next thing I do is I take the URL, I embed the data structure. You can see some of the code here. And from that, I take this URL and now it's going to be running with my local system. And in a few moments, I'll be able to chat specifically with all of the data that's on this website directly in my terminal. This pushes the way that you learn in a lot of different potentials because I'm not just looking at the data, but I'm using the AI to also restructure my thought processes around how I might communicate with this particular data. And I don't have to just look at the content that's here. I can use the power of my AI system. In this case, I'm using a Llama 3 model to understand, interpret, and even change the questions entirely around how I would want to learn this information. So as you can see, I'm typing in different things like how to construct this into a syllabus so that I can learn it in 3 weeks. What materials might I also need to have? So this has been Preston with Quick Hits. I hope you have a great day.